Hey everyone, I'm here to drop a quick video to help you leverage your learning rate when learning data science. What I have here is some documents, a collection of documents that will help you to have quick recaps when you need to use something while coding in Python. So let's dive into it. I will show you the path. First you need to open the python.org website, and when you are here, come to documentation, then beginner's guide. After this page opening, come down to Python related cheat sheets, and here you can find a collection of cheat sheets for Python, NumPy, pandas and machine learning. As you see, these are the basics that we'll need to know to do machine learning. Start with Python, then go to NumPy and pandas, which are libraries that are very useful when doing data science, and then you have machine learning. If you open one of these, you can see that are here some documents that are very useful with some resumes on the matter or the topics that you need. And let me jump into some examples. So this one, for example, is aiming for Python in data science. And here you have the basics of Python to manipulate data, from methods and operations to NumPy arrays. Here, for example, we have one dedicated to linear algebra and calculus. And these are the basics that you need to know, so it is very useful if you are learning. Then you can jump into unsupervised learning. Here we have the basics of some algorithms or topics inside unsupervised learning, such as k-mean clustering and PCA, principal component analysis. Then we can move on to the next one. Here we have supervised learning. Also talk about some algorithms and some basic notions that you need to have when doing machine learning, and it is very useful when you need to recap something or when you are learning. We also have some general tips about machine learning, such as the classification and how to evaluate with the confusion matrix, the ROC and HAW curves, regression, basic metrics, model selection, and so on. This is very useful if you are learning. Then one more about deep learning. You have here also useful information about deep learning, mainly the basics that we need to know. And another example is about scikit-learn, the library used for machine learning. So you have here how to split the training and test data, how to pre-process the data for the model, how to create the model and use the fit function, and how to make predictions. So as you see, this is very useful when you are learning. And feel free to explore other documents, because these that I show you are only some examples. So, and that's it that I have to show you guys. With these documents you won't be losing time searching for some things that you already learned but you just don't remember how to use it. It will be much faster when you have this close to you and you just need to do a recap. So I hope you enjoyed and see you there.